So if you've always wanted to have a go at hand embroidery and you aren't sure where to start, then this set of videos is just for you. You don't need much equipment to get going, and hand embroidery is one of the most inexpensive hobbies to start. So let's have a look at the 7 essential things you need to begin hand embroidery. So you'll need something to stitch on. So you'll need some fabric. So these are some linens. These are just a few of the colours from our range. Natural fabrics are really nice, cottons and linens to stitch on. Or you can grab something from your wardrobe, like this blouse, and you can stitch straight onto your clothes. So I am going to be showing you in this 3-part series how to stitch this butterfly onto this blouse. You'll need something to stitch with. So you'll need some embroidery thread, lots of different kinds available, but on the blouse I'm going to use this Lana thread, really nice for beginners, very soft to use and lots of beautiful colours. So you'll need some needles, something to put your thread in to stitch with. Lots and lots of different kinds of needles for different purposes. We have another video just about needles, and we'll put that in the playlist, the beginners embroidery playlist, which you'll be able to see at the end of this video. For this project I'm going to use a number 7 crawl needle. So it's a good idea to put your fabric in something to keep it stable while you're stitching. So an embroidery frame like this is great. These are easy to find, they're inexpensive and multi-purpose. You can get them in lots of different sizes. So I'm going to use this larger one to work the butterfly in. So you need something to cut your embroidery thread with, so you'll need some scissors. It's worth investing in a good pair of embroidery scissors like this. You need a nice sharp pair to make sure you get a nice clean cut. So you'll need something to stitch. I'm going to show you in this set of videos how to stitch this butterfly. This is a PDF design available on our website. We've got other designs as well, so do pop over to the website and check those out. And the 7th thing that you will need is a subscription to our YouTube channel. You can do that down here. Click to subscribe, and check out also our video playlist for beginners embroidery. We've got lots of other videos that you'll find really useful to begin your embroidery journey.